When I walk into the store, they're selling chickens by the store, but eating dead birds just ain't for me. And I don't eat roast beef or fish, and pork and pig is not my dish. Go ahead and let your chickens free. Chicken orders Colonel Purdue wants to be those chickens to you. I don't take orders from Colonel Sanders to you. And I don't want to eat no hens, not even every now and then. I just want to let all the little chickens be. We'll swing to the east and swing to the west. Swing the chicken that you love best. Come on down to the chicken walk with me. I'm wishing Daffy lots of luck, cause Elmer Fudd's a hunting duck and dreaming about a little fricassee. And Bugs Bunny's a friend of mine, eating him feel like Frankenstein, eating flesh and pretty foul to me. Cooking chickens don't seem right, morning, noon, or late at night. Ain't no chicken ever done no harm to me. So on Thanksgiving or Christmas Eve, give those turkeys a reprieve. Ain't no turkey got to die for me. Well, swing to the east and swing to the west. Swing the chicken that you love best. Come on down to the chicken squawk with me. Buckle nugget roasted meat said MDC's okay with me. We learned how to let our chickens free. We birds of feather, we stick together. We set our chickens free forever. So go ahead and let your chickens be. Mortgages must be the end. They got us eating our cartoon friends and fans fake those little chickadees. We'll swing to the east and swing to the west. We'll swing the chicken that you love best. Coming down to the chicken squawk with me. We'll swing to the east and swing to the west. Swinging the chicken that you love best. Coming down to the chicken squawk with me.